So one of the big projects that we've needed to do since we bought the boat is deal with our teak. This teak is 27 years old and is suffering.
We haven't done much to maintain it other than just like regular light scrubbing as part of cleaning, and who knows what the previous owners did, but we gotta do something. I was chatting with the owner of a Hylas 56 or something who seemed to really take care of his boat. He said, don't varnish it, don't use Sealant, don't do anything crazy like that. Slap on this product that is very expensive, but what it does, it seals it and water just beads up on it and won't soak in deep into the grain, which sounds perfect for us.
We've been attempting to clean the teak, and we've got this great teak cleaner. It's looking really good, except it's starting to streak our beautiful new bottom.
I had tested what diluted cleaner product would do to the anti-foul, just like diluted some, put it on with a brush yesterday, and it seemed like diluted it wouldn't cause any problems at all. So I figured as we were cleaning and spraying and just taking care to hose it down constantly that we wouldn't have any problems, but that proved not to be true in the first 10 minutes.
Okay, so yesterday we were a little bit miffed. So we were like, no, we're gonna stop the project until we splash the water, because even though Will tested it, we're just not sure why it's happening. So then Will was like, I don't know, I'm already wet, I'm already dirty, I'll just clean the boat, I'll use some soap. Let me show you what our hull looks like now. Here's all the streaky stuff that we messed up. We thought we messed up from our teak, but then Will started cleaning, and all of this, which was perfect black, no streaks, is streaky. And even on the other side, which we didn't even touch. Look at this. Look at this. It was perfect. It was like absolutely perfect. So we've realized this bottom paint is very sensitive to soap, I guess. I don't know. I'm sure it's still gonna do its job. It just doesn't look pristine. So we're saying, you know what? Let's carpe this diem, and we're gonna continue on our teak. We're gonna do the rubber, we're gonna do the toe rail, we're gonna clean it, we're gonna put the sealant on it, and hopefully it looks really good. We're done. Step 1. So this is step 2, the Dytech Triton Teak Sealer. Unlike Varnish or Sealant, it doesn't have any color. It's not going to make the teak look like anything apparently, and it's just going to let the water bead off of it, and it's UV resistant. We got to do 2 coats. Dry time is an hour between each, and then we'll be done. Okay, regardless of what we say later when we debrief, this is what the end of the day looks like. It's 6:30. We got started around 9. Whew, but we're done. We'll look at it tomorrow after we splash. Now it's time for a shower, clean up, have a beer.
Is that the boat?
Yeah, it is a boat. It's just the boat sunk and only the mast is sticking out. They're going to do the big sport fish boat first, and then they're going to do us.
What's going to do up? What you're going to, you want to sail to go under the bridge?
Yeah, we will do that.
Underneath our boat. These straps will go under the boat, and then they'll lift the entire boat up, take all the stands away, and then they'll be able to go drive the boat all the way down to the water.
Great work, babe.
Yeah, didn't mess anything up.
I'm cleaning all the undersides of our teak first. I didn't know if that was needed, but I talked to the guys in the sport fish next to us who keep their boat like perfect, and he was like, yes, you of course have to clean and seal the underside of your boat. So that's what I'm doing. And look at this, it is like green with mold and mildew.
Yeah, water pools up in that area.
Oh yeah. Step 2 of the process, putting on the Triton sealer, and then apply 2 coats on the bottom, 2 coats on the top, and then this work should be done. My cockpit teak is finished. Let me show you the final result. I cannot believe the before and the after. It's astonishing. Really remarkable is the difference between how the teak soaks up water, or rather doesn't soak up water, compared to how it was before.
All right, so this is untreated teak. Hasn't been cleaned, hasn't been sealed. Pretty good.
I am removing the old grout from on top of the companionway. Next, I am going to do some sanding in between the teak seams, and hope to get all of the grout mostly out. Might do some acetone to just sort of fully remove it as best as I can. It's on a deck, like it's not going to have any wear, it's not going to flex, so I don't know how perfect of a job it needs to be in terms of performance, because it's not really a performance area, but I'm going to do as best I can, clean it up, re-caulk it. I've got to decide if I'm going to tape it or just, you know, wing it, see how long it takes to tape and kind of go from there. All right, about 2 minutes in, I've changed my mind. I'm going to just go for it and then see about getting an orbital sander to remove it. I think, honestly, I'm going to be such a mess with the tape anyway that it's not actually any sort of a time saving to tape it. So I'm going to go with plan B and just go for it. Okay, so one side is done. The other side is not. I ran out of caulk. That bottle only did this, I don't know, 2 square foot area. But today I'm going to attempt to sand off the caulk. Obviously I went with the knot tape method, which is now going to create more work for me on this end. Okay, so here is the beautiful side that I did before. Ooh. And here is the side I have not done yet. Let's finish this teak project. So today I'm gonna sand the caulk off of the cabin top. Then I will finally be able to clean the rest of this cockpit. All right, I've got everything prepped. I'm excited. I think this is gonna make this whole area just look so much better. So let's get to it. So it's been about a month since we did all of our teak work, and the best part about it is that our teak is just never wet. So we just did a passage from Florida to Nassau, and we're cleaning down the boat, and this bit that was always just awful, it's just dry. It just always stays dry. And it's really nice to wake up every morning, and no matter if it's rained, it's dewy, whatever, the teak is always just dry. So for less than $1,000 to maintain our teak for a season, so far the D-Tech products are working out really well.